dx square minus y square dz square. Low spin complex dxy dyz dxz dxy dyz. The value of S for high spin complex is equal to S is equal to n by 2. n is equal to 5 by 2. For low spin complex, S is equal to n by 2 is equal to 1 half. Because number of unpaired electron is 1 in low spin complex. So the number of electron in D5 system, high spin complex and low spin complex is different. So the value of spin only magnetic moments are different. Now D6 system T2G orbitals and EG orbitals. Low spin complex T2G orbitals and EG orbitals. Now the number of electron is 6. dxy dyz dxz dx square minus y square dz square and dxy. Low spin complex dxy dyz dxz dxy dyz dxz. S is equal to n by 2. Number of unpaired electron in high spin complex of D6 system is 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. The value of S is equal to 1. In low spin complex, S is equal to number of electron by n by 2. Number of electron unpaired is 0 by 2 is equal to 0. n by 2 0. Now value of spin only magnetic moments for D6 system is equal to high spin complex square root of 4s s plus 1. Therefore square root of 4 into 1 plus 1 is equal to square root of 4 into 2 is equal to square root of 8 Bohr magneton. The value of mu s low spin complex of D6 system is equal to 4 s into s plus 1 is equal to square root of 4 into 0 plus 1 is equal to square root of 0 plus 1 is equal to 0 Bohr magneton. Now the D7 system is D7 system, the number of electron is high spin complex, low spin complex, T2G and EG orbitals. Low spin complex T2g and Eg orbitals. The number of electron is 7. dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square, dz square, dxy, dyz. Electron arrangement in low spin complex dxy, dyz, dxz, dxy, dyz, dxz and dx square minus y square. The value of S is equal to n by 2. The number of electron in high spin complex 1, 2, 3. 3 by 2. Low spin complex, the number of electron is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, mu S high spin complex is equal to square root of 4s into s plus 1. Therefore, 4 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to square root of 2 into 3 into 5 by 2 is equal to square root of 6 into 5 by 2 is equal to 13 by 2 is equal to square root of 15 Bohr magneton. D7 system, the value of S is equal to 1/2. Therefore, mu S is equal to square root of 4 into 1/2 into 1/2 plus 1 is equal to square root of 2 into 1 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to square root of 2 into 3 by 2 is equal to square root of 6 by 2 is equal to 3 Bohr magneton. Now D8 system. D8 system, the number of electron is same. The number of electron is same in high spin complex and low spin complex. And D9 system, the number of electron is same for high spin complex and low spin complex. The value of spin only magnetic moments are same in D8, D9, D1, D2 and D3 system, and D4, D5, D6 and D7 are different.
સંધાન ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.